In this lesson I'm going to show you about pan sharpening. So here you can see a layer stacked image of Landsat OLI of a certain area in ERDAS Imagine. So I already added this layer stacked image here. So this layer stacked image is a stacked image of band 2 to band 7 of Landsat 8 image, which have 30 meter spatial resolution, and I have a panchromatic image as well with 15 meter spatial resolution. So in case of pan sharpening, I need a 15 meter multispectral image of Landsat image. So to apply this, go to raster, pan sharpen, and you can see different methods of pan sharpening. So I choose HPF, resolution merge. I found this is a very good one in my previous research work, so I'm going to show you based on this one. Then choose the high resolution input file. Here is band 8, and layer stacked image is here. You can see the cell size is 15 meter and the cell size is 30 meter for multispectral. Then choose output file, and you have to give a file name for the output file name, and go to the working directory, which is here in my case, and you have to know where you put. And here give pan sharpen image, change the file of type to img, then click OK, then keep other parameters constant, then click OK. Then it starts processing. You can see it's initializing, computing, nice starts, and it takes longer time, depending on your computer speed and depending on the area of interest in your research. Okay, now the process reached 85% in computing pyramid layer for pan sharpen image. This is, I think, the last process in pan sharpening. It has different processes. It took like 45 minutes to process pan sharpening image using HPF. So now it says done. You can see here done. Then close it. Now click new view. Okay, new 2D view. Then you can see 2D view side by side with the previous one. So right click on it and add open raster layer. Then go to the folder, the working directory, or the folder you put the pan sharpen image, which is img ERDAS Imagine image. So search the file of type, then you can see pan sharpen image, then OK. Then you will get the image, but it's still blank. So to see the image, right click on any blank part of the frame or part of the view, and right click on it and click fit to frame. Then you can see the image. Now you can compare the same area and see whether there is a spatial variation or not. So for example, I just have selected this place or another place as you want. Okay, change here. For example, this is a volcanic cone and it has a crater lake at the top. So link to the place and equalize the scale. Then you can see the difference. So this is pan sharpen image, this is a raw image, layer stacked image, so it is more interpretable. And the spatial resolution of this pan sharpen image is 15 meter, and but this one is 30 meter. So thank you for following me on this lecture or in this practical session, and we will continue on another session in a different subject. Thank you very much and take care.